Can't see.
Yeah, there's a step.
Okay. Megan, it's a back up and then move to the right.
Megan, move out of the way.
Those look so good.
Thank you.
I'm trying my camera somewhere.
Professional.
Hey, you did good, Mark.
Daddy, on this one?
Professional.
Hold on, I'm gonna turn this blue light away. Hold on.
Turn that blue light away, please.
Daddy, I did this one.
Oh, well, that's good too. Move.
Can you move, baby?
Move. They can't see you.
I want to take a pic. I just want to stand here if y'all can see me.
Oh, dang it.
Might need to move to the right for that.
I have a flash as well.
Yeah, you might want to move to your right, Mark.
Yo, kilogram. Y'all did awesome.
Megan, please.
Daddy, stop. Wow, one of those things.
Looks really good.
I like this one.
The raccoon's amazing. It looks